starting with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint in the shade Honey. And I'm just going to apply that using a Morphe brush, or you can use your hands. I don't use a sponge with it because it provides like no coverage if you use a makeup sponge, so I either use my hands or a brush. Then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Creamy Beige, which is pretty much my skin tone. And I'm just placing that on the places that I want more coverage, which is on my chin and underneath my eyes, basically places that I have a little bit more pores or more redness. So that's basically the center of my face, and I'm using the same Morphe brush that I used to apply my foundation. And then to highlight, I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the shade C7, and I am using this to highlight. To contour my nose, I'm using my Lancome Duo Ended Stick, like normal. And if you don't have this one, the hard candy stick in medium works just as well. And I'm going to use my finger to blend that out so there's no harsh line on my nose, so it doesn't look like I have railroad tracks. Then to set the center of my face, I'm going in with this Catrice Prime and Fine Waterproof Powder in Translucent, and I apply this on the places that I get really oily. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in Translucent, the pressed one. I usually would use my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I have no idea why I didn't, because that will get you really smooth, but I went in with this, and it doesn't hide any texture, but it does help your face stay matte. And then I'm using my Milani bronzer in the shade Dulce. I'm also going to use that to contour my nose, powder contour my nose. And then I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil to do my brows. I'm not really good at my brows, I'll be honest, so really all I do is just fill them in where they're sparse. And then after that, I'm going to go in with some brow gel to make sure that they stay in place all day. And that's also from Benefit, that's their 24-hour brow gel. Then to highlight, I'm using Becca Opal in the mini size, and I'm going to apply that on my cheekbones, down the center of my nose, my upper lip. I think I put some on my chin too. And then for my eyes, I went in with my bronzer just to contour my eyes. And then I also put my highlighter on my mobile lid. Then to set all this, I went in with the Sport Fix from Makeup Revolution. This is my favorite setting spray. And then on the lashes, which is pretty much my last step, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. And then I go in with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which is the dupe to Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And it works super, super well. And now I'm going to show you how I did my hair. So since I am in a rush, I'm not going to be gluing my wig down. So usually I'd be wearing my blonde wig, but that one it fits my head just right. So I do have to glue it down because it might slide back. This one is actually too big. This was the orange wig I made. It's fading to a nice peach, but this is the one I wear when I don't want to be bothered gluing my wig down. If you're going to work for a long time, like 8 hours, I definitely suggest gluing your wig down, but since I'm just going out on a few errands, I don't care so much. So this fits me big, but since it is big, I don't have to worry about it sliding back or anything. So I do have combs in the back and an elastic band around the perimeter, but if you can see, you can only see the lace a little bit. So what I do is I just put some hair right here over the lace and pull my sideburns down, and then just pull it out like that. Pull out the sideburns and just put some hair behind my ear. And then on this side, since I have a heavy bang, I don't really need to do it, but I'm going to anyway. So I'm just going to pull it out like this, pull all the hair out like this, and then just put some hair behind my ear. Just like that. And then of course, make my bang a little And right here along my perimeter, you can't really see the lace. So I just pull the baby hairs out like this, and I'm going to get a little bit of water. So I just spray my hand with a little bit of water, and then just smooth baby hairs out like that. And try to put them right along that lace so you can't see the line of demarcation. I also like to secure my edges or my ear flaps with bobby pins, so I'm going to do that too. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next video.